In this session, we would be preparing a double column cash book and we would be working out an exercise. Please remember, double column cash book is also called as two column cash book. Now let's look at the question together. The question asks us to enter the following transactions in two column cash book of Mr. ABC for August 2020, and they have given us around 11 transactions. So let's go about solving this question into the two column cash book. Now, please remember, in the case of a two column cash book, we will have to manage for two columns, which is the discount column as well as the amount column. Okay? So in the case of a two column cash book, what will happen is we will have to prepare the columns for discount as well as for amount. So these are the two columns that we will have to prepare in the case of two column cash book. But apart from this, the format is very much similar to that of a simple cash book or a single column cash book. The only difference here is that you have one additional column, which is the discount column, and we've already seen that this discount column is used for reference purpose. So the discount column, in reality, you would be using this only for reference purpose, because the amounts that you're entering over here, it would not be balanced. Now let's start off with the preparation of this two column cash book. Let's look at the first transaction. Balance of cash in hand 2,500. So this is August 1st. Okay, so this is 1st of August. Yeah, the balance of cash in hand is 2,500. Now, in the month of August, if you should have a balance of 2,500 in your hand, remember, it is the balance that you're bringing down from the previous month. Okay, it is the balance that you're bringing down from the previous month. So here it will be 2 balance brought down, and then the amount is 2,500. Okay, 2 balance brought down, and the amount is 2,500. Now let's look at 2nd of August. 2nd of August, purchase good from Thomas for cash, rupees 750. So here you're carrying out a cash purchase, and you're carrying out a cash purchase from Thomas. When you're carrying out a cash purchase from Thomas, what will happen to cash? Is cash coming in or is cash going out? Cash will be going out. So this transaction has to be recorded on the credit side. So August 2nd, by purchase account, and the amount is 750. Okay, the amount is 750. Okay, so that has been entered. Now let's look at the third transaction, August 3rd. Received from Ram rupees 980 and allowed a discount of rupees 20. So here what is happening here is you're receiving some payment from Ram, and then along with that you're giving him a discount. So now when you are receiving cash, remember that transaction has to be recorded on the debit side. Okay, that transaction has to be recorded on the debit side. So August 3rd, now who's paying the money? Ram is paying the money. And how much is Ram paying? Ram is paying 980. Okay, Ram is paying 980. But when Ram is paying 980, you're also allowing him a discount. So how will you record that? Here in the discount column, you will enter the amount as 20. Okay, you will enter the amount as 20. So by looking at this transaction, you have understood that Ram has paid you 980 rupees, and then you have also given him a discount of 20 rupees. So this is how you would be going about entering these transactions into two column cash book. Now let's look at the next one. August 4th, paid Rajan 290 and received a discount of 10. So on 4th of August, August 4th, what is happening is you're giving, you're making a payment to Rajan. Okay, you're making a payment to Rajan. So by Rajan account, okay, by Rajan account, amount is 10, and so you're giving him a discount of 10 rupees, and then you're paying him 290 rupees. So when you look at this transaction, what you will understand is that you have paid him 290 rupees, and along with that you have allowed him a discount of 10 rupees. Okay? You have paid him an amount of 290 rupees. Along with that, you have allowed him a discount of 10 rupees. So the beauty of this two-column cash book is that whenever you have discount transactions, you need not write any other information, or any other particulars need not be provided. By merely looking at the nature of the transactions, you're able to understand what type is a discount allowed or is a discount received, etc. Now let's look at the next one. August 5th. 5th of August, purchase goods for cash. Okay, so August 5th, buy purchase account and the amount is 400. Buy purchase account and the amount is 400. August 6th, paid Matthew rupees 760 and received a discount of 40. Okay, so August 6th, you're making a payment to Matthew, and August 6th, by Matthew account and the amount is 40 and 760. So when you look at this transaction, what happens is that you've understood the amount, you have given him a discount of 40, and then you are making a payment of 760 rupees. Okay? So that is what you have understood from this transaction. August 7th, cash sale. August 7th, cash sale. So 7th of August, you're making a sale. When you make a sale, what happens to cash? Cash would be coming in, and a cash sale of 1,000 rupees. Okay? Cash sale of 1,000 rupees. Okay? So that has been done successfully. Now let's look at the next transaction. August 8th, purchase furniture for cash. August 8th, you're carrying out a cash purchase of furniture, and then you're purchasing 250 furniture for 250 rupees. So August 8th, 8th of August, buy furniture, buy furniture, okay, and the amount is rupees 250. Amount is rupees 250. Next is paid wages. So when you pay wages, what happens to the cash? Cash would be going up. So August 9th, buy wages, okay, buy wages, and the amount is 50. Then next is August 10th. What is happening 10th of August? You're paying rent. Okay, you're paying rent. So buy rent, and the amount is 150. The amount is 150. Let's look at the last transaction. August 11th, paid Narendra and received a discount of rupees 20. So August 11th, buy Narendra. Okay, and how much are you paying? You're paying 380 rupees. You also have to account for discount, so you have to include the discount amount as well. Okay. Now the question is not over as yet, because at the end of the month we have to balance. Okay. At the end of the month we have to balance, and how do we balance? We balance by adding up the total. Okay. We balance by adding up the total. So remember, discount column you need not balance, you just have to write the total amount. You need not. So let's just quickly carry this out. Let's see which side is more. So on debit side we have 2,500, then we have 980, and then we have 1,000 rupees. So the total works out to be 4,480. Now let's see the credit side. Credit side we have 750, then we have 290, and we have 400, then we have 760, then we have 250. 760, then we have 250, then we have 50, then 250, then we have 50, then we have 150, and then we have 380. Okay. So when we consider all this together, the total works out to be 3030. So 750, 290, 400, 760, 250, 50, 150, 380, and the total works out to be 3030. But please remember, if according to the dual aspect, this side should also be 4480. But how do you make it 4480? You have to bring in the balancing figure. So how much is the balancing figure? Balancing figure is 1450. Okay, balancing figure is 1450. So August 30th by balance. Okay, since we are taking down the balance, it will be carried down. Okay, it will be carried down. Now, one important thing that you have to remember over here is discount column you need not balance. Okay, discount column you need not balance because discount column is only for reference purpose. Discount column is only for reference purpose, so we need not balance discount column. Only the cash amount column needs to be balanced. And here on 1st of September, what will happen is to balance brought down, and the amount is 1450. 1450. So this is how we go about with the preparation of two-column cash flow.